The assignment we will be working on over the next couple class periods is over geological timescale. The objective of this is to construct scientific explanation based on evidence from rock layers for how geological timescale is used to organize the 4.6 billion year old history of the Earth. Hey, so down here, just a brief overview of what we're going to be working on. Geological timescale interpreted by rock layers provides a way to organize Earth's history. We'll be going over some major events that have occurred throughout the Earth's 4.6 billion year history. Mainly, we're going to be taking a good look at the analysis of rock layers and the fossil record provided by relative dates, not to absolute scale. The direction for this, you're going to watch the two videos I have attached to the post on Edmodo. The first is over geological timeline of the Earth. The second one is over the different mass extinctions that have occurred over the span of time. This will give you an introduction to your assignment. Each one is a little less than 10 minutes, so it shouldn't take you real long. On Edmodo, you're going to follow the directions I have typed out for you to complete your research paper. Type all of your notes and research paper in your backpack. You will use the resources, including the video I have typed out for you, directions to find all of your information. You will have 2 class periods to finish this assignment. Day 1, all we're going to be doing is just researching and taking notes. On day 2, we'll organize those notes and we'll type out our paper. Then when we're done, we'll turn the assignments under the Turn In tab when finished. So let's hop over to Edmodo. Okay, on your class website, here's what I posted. 2 videos over geological timelines. Top link is over the timeline of the Earth. Again, the second one, mass extinction. So here we have timeline, mass extinction video. Please watch those in that order. Hey, so your directions for this research paper. You're going to use the resources I posted for you below to find all the information you need. You will need to tell me how scientists use rock layers, fossils to determine the age of different eras and determine how different eras begin and how they end. What are some of the events that occurred during the Precambrian time period? And there are a lot. Spoiler alert. And number 4, you will need to discuss the Cambrian explosion and why it was so important. Find the information about mass extinctions and how each one reshapes the Earth. I do not have a length requirement on this essay per se. But I will tell you it better be a little bit longer than 1 page. The resources I have out for you down here, there are 4 different ones right here I want you to use between that, and the video should give you 5-6 different resources. Hey, just to kind of go over things one more time, come up here to your backpack. Under your backpack, I want you to click on New, a new Word document. And as soon as this loads, you are going to, first thing is title it. Once I learn how to spell, it'll make things go a little smoother. My goodness. Okay, now that that's finally done. Okay, this is where you will take all of your notes. Remember, this is Office 365 online, so anything you type, any space, any enter, any key you type automatically saves, so don't freak out if something were to randomly shut off. Hey, so you will type your paper on here, you will type your notes on a separate document, and then when you are done, make sure, it automatically saves, but just to make sure, go ahead and file and save as, just to be safe. Okay, again, when you are done, come back here to the home screen and you will select the Turn In tab, and then it will be done.